Hindi muna natin ito at si May muna ang unang gagaya. Ano na i-play nating music? Ready na kayo? Palakpakan nyo naman!
Let's go Miguel! Let's go Miguel!
Yes, sir!
Yo! Ready Miguel?
Kaya Miguel! Let's go!
Go Miguel!
1, 2, 3, hoy! Ano po pa sa... Galera do navio, que só lançar pra...
Mamaya palakpakan system.
Very good.
Next. Next naman tayo dito sa side.
1, 2, 3, hoy! Ano po pa sa... Galera do navio, que só lança braba.
Isa pa lamang yun. Meron tayong 99 videos. Okay. Next. May nakasama ko. Okay. Next video po tayo sa ating next. Okay, sige.
Sino ba gagawa? Partner? Dapat practice na practice.
Okay, sorry na. May meeting lang muna. Okay. Play ba natin ulit yung...
Sino ba siya?
Okay. Sino? Okay, ready na kayo? Sila muna. Okay daw muna. Kayo daw muna.
Kami muna?
Yes. Okay. Music please. Okay, ready? Ready?
Go Miguel.
Okay.
Boyfriend Kathy.
Humili lang naman. Humili lang naman. Pag ako na yung bag. Okay, sige. Let's move on sa ating next video. Tape and play, please. Panoorin mo na.
It's like
Okay. This time kayo naman. Sila muna. Okay, kayo muna daw ulit.
What?
Kayo muna daw. Sabi, what? Oh. Sorry, sila muna mauna. Sorry. Kayo naman.
Kayo muna.
Kayo muna mauna. Uwi ako. Oo,
Sino ba yung nakikita sa...
naniniwala kami
Bakit
kayo.
ang babae?
Okay, music.
It's like a...
Okay. Ikaw na to ha.
Grabe
Okay.
Solid mo.
It's like a...
Sumasayaw ha. Okay, move on again. Ano tayo, next video tayo, please.
Kahit journalist yan pala.
Sila,
Yung journalist yan.
okay, kayo muna daw. Lee, parang ano?
Ay, ko lang lahat? Tayo lahat na naman. Sige, sige.
Okay, kasi tayo.
May kasama pa sa kapatid sa'yo niyo.
Okay, Meet and team, ready, music tayo. Yes, kaya, galing. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo, ilan ng videos? Nasa 95 pa. Okay. Next video po tayo, please.
Let's go!
Nagme-meeting muna. Okay. Ay, mukhang ready na kayo, oh. Okay. Ready, energy, energy. Music, please. Sabi sa inyo, ready kayo, eh.
Ready.
Okay, next. Ay! Ay! Nakalikot mo na! May Mario! Music, please. Isa pa daw po. Teka lang, ikaw ba'y nagtama nito? Okay, next, next. Okay, ready po tayo. Music, please. Okay kayo? Tulungin kayo ha? Help kayo, hindi lang sihip. Ka-join kayo. Ka-team kayo. Ha? Grupo kayo. Mag-uusap, sasayaw kayo. Kaya nyo, ex-housemates natin ha? Meeting, sayaw. Okay. Ah, hindi perfect kayo. Wala kayong makakamali.
Yes!
Ay, 90 pa. Okay. Next video po tayo. Isa pa ba tayo? Para, isa pa to. Pagbibig, of course. Isa pa po. Isa pa po.
Go guys!
Okay. Please watch this. Okay.
Tayo na bro, let's set
Tayo
the
muna.
standard, man.
Okay. Ready tayo. Para masaya tayo kasi pang 89 to, isa-isa tayo.
Grabe.
Isa-isa. Okay.
You're so tough, Miguel.
Okay. Okay. Next, ano? Next tayo, tagalin mo yung phone nyo. Para yung phone nyo, para masaya, tagalin mo nyo muna. Ayan. Tayo. Kaya mo yan. Sino gusto lumapas?
Better than Jess, go here. Let's go. Bye.
Yes! Ikaw. Next, representative.
Go, Ashley.
Okay. Well, John. Music, please. Nasa beat ka. Hindi mo hawak, nasa iyo ang beat. Okay, next tayo. Oh, kita kita, kaya ko yung isa-isa dahil sa'yo. Pinapagod yung si Shelly. Ano ba? Mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Dito ka na. Next, okay. Mag-uusap pa yan. Okay, ready na kayo, girls? Music, please. O, di ba nakakasayaw ka? Bibigyan ako sa'yo. Tapos na siya, makapag-request ka din para may patago. Ready na? Oh. Ready? Music, please. Ready?
Let's go, you got this, you got this.
Dahil dyan, music please. At dahil dyan, pwede ba Eto na, syempre meron din tayo mga kasama sa stage. Tawagin na natin, Eliza, Fred, and Princess. Ready? Gino,
Let's go.
let's go. Go, Fred. Muna rin kami.
Let's go, Gio! Go, Princess!
Yeah, Gio.
Princess! Princess!
Hi po.
Hello!
What's up?
Yeah!
What's up, SM North Carolina?
Ang cute mo, Gio. What's up, everybody? I'm Gaya. Nice to meet you all.
What's up, everybody?
What's up, SM Skygo?
At sorry, hindi lang nakakita rin kayo. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. At dahil dyan, sasayaw tayo, sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Hawak mo. Kasama niyo mga makit sa stage. Ready na ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba yun? At dahil dyan, music please. Walang sakayin naman yung mga ambok sa kasama natin. Maraming salamat. If you have something to tell, to hate, or may gusto pa kayo sabihin, go ahead please.
Yo, Heath, Buzzbear, I got a message for you, okay? First of all, I want to congratulate you for your first concert. I remember while we were inside the house, we were talking about it, and everybody said, you'll invite us and get the front seats, okay? See you, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much for being genuine, sincere to everybody, and I really appreciate you as my little bro. Yes, bro. Thank you, Fred.
Boy, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations sa mga lahat. I love you and sana dumami pa to. Tumagal ka pa dun.
Ganda mo, Eliza.
Ayan, Heath, so I just wanna say we're so proud of you. And ayan, sa lahat ng mga concert mo, pupunta talaga kami full support.
Heath, you're my real day one. I want to say I'm so proud of you for coming this way. I remember calling while playing Fortnite about writing your songs. So, I'm really proud of you. There's more concerts to come, more fame, more friends. Who knows? More Fortnite. Let's go, Heath! Let's go, Gio!
I'm so proud of you, first of all. Thank you so much for being such a kind, genuine friend. We're always here for you. And yeah, I'm always proud of you. More success to come, and I'm always praying for you, bro.
Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin, of course, and panonood, of course, para kay you. Palakpakan naman yung mga nakasama natin sa stage. Thank you!
Thank you, everyone.
maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Eto na tayo. Back tayo sa ating segment. Sorry, Miguel. Gusto mo naman bumaba? May susunod ba tayo doon? Okay. Siyempre, kailangan mo natin na makita ko kanina, palakpakan system. Kung sino ang pinakamalakas na palakpakan, yun po ang mananalo. Okay? Team A, Team B. Okay. Ready na kayo? Ready na yung palakpakan? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang mga TikTok dance ng Team A, magpalakpakan! Thank you so much. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman ang mga TikTok dance ng Team B, magpalakpakan! Ulit! Team A! Team B! Congratulations! Malinaw na nanalo ka!
Thank you guys so much.
Of course, maraming salamat and congratulations sa ating winner. And again, maraming salamat din sa pagsama sa amin. You have something to say, to take? Wala naman na. Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat. Walang nyo naman ulit.
Heat, when your concert is 30K a ticket, can I still have a free ticket?
Yes, bro.
Yeah!
Love you, Buzzer!
Bye, guys.
I was there.
Ayan, group photo na lang sa kanila dito. Abante na tayo dito. Of course, kayo ang winner. Congratulations.
Congrats, Claire!
And good job. And I would like to thank everyone for coming. We appreciate everything na lahat ng suporta nyo kay Heath. And alam nyo yung letters, each and every letter, we read it. And natatouch talaga kami sa mga sinasabi nyo kay Heath and sa support nyo.